If you're experiencing issues with your iPhone 16 connecting to wireless CarPlay in your Toyota, you're not alone. Many iPhone 16 devices running iOS 18 are facing compatibility challenges with Toyota's wireless CarPlay system. This issue particularly affects Toyota models from 2022 to 2025, including the Camry, Prius, Highlander, and Corolla Cross. These vehicles have Toyota's wireless CarPlay implementation that struggles with the new wireless protocols introduced in iOS 18. The root cause of these issues stems from firmware mismatches between Toyota's infotainment systems and Apple's newer wireless protocols. Toyota's software often lags behind Apple's rapid iOS updates, creating compatibility gaps. The most effective solution is a complete system reset. First, delete all existing iPhone pairings from your Toyota system. Then, reset network settings on your iPhone 16 and restart both devices completely. To reset network settings on your iPhone 16, go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. This clears all saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. After the reset, repair your devices using the wireless CarPlay setup process. Keep your iPhone within 3 feet of the dashboard and ensure your vehicle is running during the initial setup for the best connection stability. Finally, ensure your Toyota infotainment system is updated to firmware version 2024.3 or later for optimal iPhone 16 compatibility. While some vehicles support over-the-air updates, many will require a visit to your Toyota dealership for the latest software. Following these primary troubleshooting steps results in an 85 to 90% success rate for resolving iPhone 16 wireless CarPlay connectivity issues with Toyota vehicles. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your iPhone 16 wireless CarPlay issues with Toyota, these advanced solutions can help restore connectivity. First, ensure your iPhone is running iOS 18.6 or later. Apple's made significant improvements to wireless CarPlay compatibility in recent updates. Next, adjust your iPhone's Wi-Fi privacy settings. Disable private Wi-Fi address and turn off limit IP address tracking for your CarPlay connection. These privacy features can interfere with the vehicle's ability to maintain a stable connection. If settings adjustments don't work, try resetting your CarPlay connection entirely. Go to iPhone Settings, then General, then CarPlay, and forget your Toyota vehicle. Then clear your Toyota system cache by holding the power and home buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Looking toward the future, significant improvements are on the horizon. Toyota is planning a comprehensive wireless CarPlay overhaul for the 2026 model year, while Apple is developing CarPlay 2.0 with enhanced backward compatibility. Industry experts predict a 95% compatibility rate across all Toyota wireless-enabled models by late 2026. Current troubleshooting requests have increased significantly since the iPhone 16 launch, but these improvements should resolve most connectivity issues.